Hi, I'm Samartha, from AI Reading Instructor of the Nursing Officers Academy. In this video, we read about vitamin, their science name, source and its function. 1. Vitamin A, retinol. Deficiency cause: night blindness, dry skin. Source: liver, fish oil, dairy products, carrots. Function: 2. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Deficiency cause: beriberi, Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. Source: whole grains, pork, nuts, seeds. Function: energy metabolism, nerve function. 3. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Deficiency: ariboflavinosis. Source: dairy products, leafy greens, almonds. Function: energy metabolism, antioxidant function. 4. Vitamin B3, niacin. Deficiency cause: pellagra. Source: meat, fish, peanuts, whole grains. Function: energy metabolism, DNA repair. 5. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid. Deficiency cause: rare, but can cause fatigue and irritability. Source: meat, whole grains, vegetables. Function: energy metabolism, hormone synthesis. 6. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Deficiency cause: anemia, neurological symptoms. Source: meat, fish, bananas, potatoes. 7. Vitamin B7, biotin. Deficiency cause: dermatitis, neurological symptoms. Source: egg yolks, liver, nuts, whole grains. Function: metabolism of fats, carbs, and amino acids. 8. Vitamin B9, folate, folic acid. Deficiency cause: anemia, neural tube defects in pregnancy. Source: leafy greens, legumes, fortified grains. 9. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Deficiency cause: anemia, neurological symptoms. Source: meat, fish, dairy products, fortified foods. 10. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Deficiency cause: scurvy. Source: citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers. Function: antioxidant, collagen synthesis, immune function. 11. Vitamin D, calciferol. Deficiency cause: rickets, osteomalacia. Source: sunlight, fatty fish, fortified foods. Function: calcium absorption. 12. Vitamin E, tocopherol. Deficiency cause: rare, but can cause nerve damage. Source: nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, leafy greens. Function: antioxidant, immune function. 13. Vitamin K. Deficiency cause: impaired blood clotting. Source: leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, liver. Types of vitamin K. Vitamin K1, phylloquinone. This is the primary form found in plants, especially leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli. Vitamin K2, menaquinone. This form is found in animal products and fermented foods. It's also produced by bacteria in the gut. Vitamin K3 is a synthetic form of vitamin K known as menadione. It's not commonly used in supplements anymore due to potential toxicity concerns. Instead, natural forms like K1 and K2 are preferred for supplementation.